Back to our YouTube channel. So we have more than 25 videos we have make for the Virtusa company, but the selection was more than 100 members. So complete selection members videos will be uploaded in the upcoming days. Definitely we are appreciate their efforts, as well as they are mainly trusted my whatever the experience videos were posted, and they prepare same experience videos and they will be selected. Okay, so yeah, I'm already posted in WhatsApp, so congratulations who are selected. So before start this video, please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel to make more videos as per your request. Okay, so I hope everyone is like this video. 500 likes for this video target. I hope everyone is doing like and subscribe. So let's get started today's video without any delay, because most of the students is waiting for the Virtusa video. So due to cognizant videos and there is some delay for Virtusa video, so I'm sorry for that. So let's get started today's video. So coming to the before start this video, let's recap like what are the points we have discussed in this video. So firstly, how to get the offer letter and how to clear the technical and HR interviews in upcoming locations like Bangalore, Pune, Gurgaon, and as well as some other Mumbai location and Pune location, I think. So the Chennai, Hyderabad also few pending interviews will be there. So complete who are waiting for the interviews and who are going to attend the interviews, definitely you can watch until the end of this video. You have one clarity about to get the offer letter, because there is some selection students will be there, and we are take that feedback and we are complete analysis for the getting the offer letter. So definitely helpful for you. Okay, so firstly, already offer letters will be releasing and joining dates also declared, which is a company. It's a good news, because very immediate hirings and very immediate joinings, so that will be very good news for the freshers who are waiting. So obviously Virtusa company mass hiring, mass selection, I think more than 100 members is selected through our page. Okay, so you can see the candidate was selected and received the offer letter 7th November 2025, and associated engineer automation testing, I think. So tier 4, and your date of joining will be November 14, 2025. Actually, I'm hiding the date because tomorrow is the joining date, right? So I think we have just give the some security for the candidate, that's it. Because few students is not interested to reveal the joining date, so that's why we just hiding. But there is a 15th 14th in between, the joinings will be happen for these candidates. Okay, so you can see September, October, November, within 3 months completely they will be placed Virtusa company. And also the good news was it's a 5 LPA package offer letter. Okay, it's a 5 LPA package offer letter. So this candidate will be selected Hyderabad location, QA automation testing. Okay, associated software engineer role. So finally most of the students will be placing. So here this candidate will be following our interview experience videos. So definitely I'll cover in the upcoming slides. It will be some clarity about that slides. Okay, so firstly let's discuss for the Bangalore candidates. 15th November 2025 Bangalore candidates have interviews. That is the first batch of the Bangalore, I think. So if anyone is completed the before, could you please comment on this video? I think most of the students is completed the Hyderabad location and Chennai location, but Bangalore candidates will be first time. Okay, so the Bangalore candidates will be 15th November, interviews will be happen, and what is the process and how to clear the interview and how to get the offer letter. So firstly let's get started for the Bangalore candidates interview experience. Yeah, you can see, yeah, there is some office fix for the Bangalore. So there is, you can see there is a technical plus HR interviews will be happen for the Hyderabad 9th November. There is some mixed interview process will be there, like technical plus HR on the same day, and within 2 to 3 days they will be getting the selection mails as well. Okay, selection mail is nothing but finally you are clear the interview and you will be part of the Virtusa company. So that means you are selected for the job. Okay, so if there is any high competition, okay, if there is any bulk or high competition, you will get the HR interview same day, so you have to prepare accordingly. Okay, so what is the technical interview topics and what is the HR interview topics, I'll cover in this video. Okay, so don't be panic and just listen very patience, and you can prepare those topics. Definitely your interview will be clear. If you already prepare, you just recap whatever the topics I have shown. Okay, so firstly, for the software developer role, like associate to software, both are the same, software developer or associate to software engineer, so both are the same roles. So firstly, for the software developer role, if you mention Java or Python, so whatever it is, the both Java or Python is important for the programming language. Like mostly Java questions will be asking. Suppose if you already mentioned Python programming language in your resume, then Python programming question, like Python related topics will be asking. Okay, so that is the process. So first main point was Java or Python. Okay, for the software developer. Okay, for the software developer role. So second point was round 2 coding questions will be asking for the explanation. Suppose they are showing one question pick and they will be asking, so could you please explain what is the logic you have used here, and how to execute this code. Like this there will be chances for asking. Okay, so you have to prepare accordingly. Next, third point was resume based questions. Resume based questions was like a few students is mentioning the like I have knowledge on HTML, I have knowledge on CSS. So if you are mentioned like that, they will be directly asking what is HTML, what is CSS, and what is the main functioning for the for the HTML. And do you have any experience, like do you have any internship or certifications for this, like you have any portfolio or you have any project work. Like this they will be asking different questions. If you mention without any knowledge, like a few students without any knowledge, they directly mention I have knowledge on JavaScript, I have knowledge on Python programming. Like without knowledge, the students will be mentioning. Okay, so that is a major issue. Whatever the questions, whatever the topics you have you have aware of, that you just mention those topics only. And also whatever the programming and whatever the skills you have very strongly believe you will be definitely answer for those topics, those topics only you have to put in your resume. Okay, because they don't have any old resume with Virtusa interviewer. Whatever the resume you have carry, that resume will be important to ask the questions on that resume only. Okay, that is the important. Okay, so for before going to the interview, I'm already make the videos for the how after reaching the interview location, you need to sign the your name and you need to take the ID card and you need to wait for the lobby. And after that they will be asking for the interview panel, you need to attend. Sometimes Virtusa office at virtual interview also happen at Virtusa office. Sometimes they will be directly asking the face to face. Okay, so that is the two different types of interviews at which is a company location. Okay, these are the some topics. And coming to the fourth topic was SQL queries. Okay, SQL queries is very important, and SQL topic also important. So basic is okay, create the table, insert a table and delete the table. And yeah, suppose if there is any class of students will be there, and how to add their data, like name, roll number, and percentage, and attendance. Like this there will be the chances. Okay, some basic questions is enough, but sometimes queries also are asking. Okay, highest salary question. So yeah, you need to practice those SQL queries, normalization, these topics, definitely it will be helpful to clear the interview easily. Okay, so the fifth main topic was oops concept. Okay, the oops concept was, I'm already told you, encapsulation, whatever the topics will be there, you have to prepare accordingly. So finally the technical interview was completed. Okay, so firstly Java or Python, round 2 coding questions, resume based questions, SQL queries, oops concept. These 5 topics to give your, these 5 topics will completely change your career and your family as well. Okay, so you have to prepare each and every pin of every bit of the question for this all 5 topics. Okay, these 5 topics is enough to get the HR interview mail. Okay, so while you are saying the answers, you have to maintain complete communication skills. Okay, suppose while you are saying the answer, you just maintain, yeah, sir, this is a SQL query, so the data will be created like this is a way of answering the question, sir. This is a created table, this is a inserted table, so that's it. This is not right way to answer. You have to just act like a I don't know anything, so I'm answering this question silently. Okay, that is the fluency, communication skills, and your face and everything will be matters. Okay, overconfidence also sometimes rejection. Okay, so that is a very very important. You have to prepare accordingly for the technical interview. Okay, so these are the some interview experience slides, so it will be helpful, so you can watch. So Nitin Reddy, I attend my Virtusa technical interview on 30th October morning slot at Hyderabad Virtusa office. There is a 30 minutes. So yeah, these are the Hyderabad locations interviews. Bangalore location interviews is not yet started. On 15th November onwards, if you want interview experience videos for the Bangalore location, then you can directly you can come to my channel, just like the video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Definitely I'll post the Bangalore location interview experience videos as well. Okay, so at Hyderabad location they will be directly asking self introduction. Why do you apply for the testing role? Yeah, that's interesting question. Why do you applying for the testing role? And experience in testing projects and different types of testing techniques with example for the each testing, and Java questions on topics like constructors and method overriding and method overloading, Selenium basics. Any questions, I have to attend my interview. Okay, so these are the some testing related concept. I'm already told you Java testing, SQL is the enough to clear the testing role. Okay, for the software developer role, I'm already showing the complete 5 concepts. Okay, for the Java testing and some resume based questions, communication skills same. Okay, so for the testing role you need to maintain testing concepts, importantly SDLC. Yeah, there is some topics will be there, SDLC and some, I think I'm forgetting the testing questions. Yeah, in this slide I'll just cover it. Next, software developer role, they asked they asked me to the self introduction and round 2 codes, and coming to the Java encapsulation plus coding, finalize exception handling, null pointer exception, threads, hash map, difference between the array list, difference between the array list, and next, just a minute, yeah, functional interface and difference between string and string buffer and string builder and method of overloading and method of overriding. So you can observe software developer role interview concepts. Already I'm told you 5 concept is enough, so you can see all 5 concepts, the questions will be one by one will be came, so you can see. Yeah, Coming to the SQL, I'm already told you difference between delete and turnkey, drop, and difference between primary key and fortune key, and order by join query, and fetch third last record in a table. So these all are the SQL and Java concepts to get the HR interview mail. If you answer out of 15 to 15 questions, and you will be selected for sure. Okay, you have to maintain those 5 topics, whatever the previous slides I have mentioned. 5 topics you have to prepare accordingly. Definitely in upcoming interviews, so who are having Bangalore, Pune, Gurgaon, same process, there is a no change for it. There is the same process, but first 15th November batch, there will be the high chances for selection. Okay, there will be the high chances for selection. So please make sure you need to prepare each and every concept in that 5 topics. Okay, I hope you understand. If you want, you can take the screenshot. I'm already posted in my website for this all the question screenshots. You can watch those screenshots. Okay, so yeah, this is the 6th November interview experience. First testing, Hyderabad location. SQL queries, total salary of each department, top 5 salaries, and static keyword collection framework. Array list was linked list. Tree set was a hash set, and comparable and comparator, and testing definition, and types of testing, and performance of testing implementation. So yeah, testing, Java, some other oops concept. Enough. Okay, you can, if you want, you can take the screenshot, or else you can directly watch the Virtusa interview questions website, and we have already posted in my website that link in the description. You can go through it, and you can practice all the interview experience questions. More than 50 to 100 questions we are posting experience related, so it will be helpful. Okay, so coming to the finally the doubt section, guys. Most of the students is asking the doubt section. Just now, like evening, I have put the message in the group. There is a more than 100 to 200 messages will become suddenly. Oh, my phone will be complete hang. So that's why I'll said just stop it, guys. I'll upload the video, so you can watch that video. It will be helpful. So those screenshot, I have taken the screenshots. I just cover the topics or doubts. Okay, it will be complete clear the students who are waiting for the Virtusa updates. Okay, so firstly, whatever the topics will be there. Bangalore interviews, how to get the offer letter, how to clearance, and technical HR interview. We are posted 5 points. So first point was, I'm already clear the first point. Each and every topic, how to get the offer letter, technical interview, and HR interview. And one more point, HR interview, there will be the self introduction, relocation, and the 2 years of bond will be there, which is a company. So is that okay or not? And next, some behavioral type of questions, like how your friends will be describe you while you are spending time with your friends, like this. These are the questions they are asking. Just communication related questions will be asking in HR interview. There is a no problem at all. Okay, so next point was technical interview pending results chances. So technical interviews is completed, but still waiting for the results for the HR interview mails. So guys, if you are still waiting for the HR interview, you just wait for 10 to 15 days. More than that, you just apply other off campus drives. Okay, so don't wait too much time. If you are not receiving more after 15 days, then you are you are rejected. Yeah, of course it's a bad news, but you are rejected. There is a no chances you can apply other off campus drives. Okay, your interview will be rejected, so you are not at all move to the next step. So that's why they are not sending the HR interview mails. Okay, so that is the important. Next, HR interviews is pending. After receiving the HR interview, but so many students is waiting for the result after completion of the HR interview. So your HR interview is completed. If you are still waiting, that means there will be chances for rejection, because within 5 days they are sending the selection mails. Within 5 to 6 days they are sending the selection mails. So after completion of your HR interview, you are still waiting for 10 to 15 to 20 days, then you just ignore it and you can apply other off-campus drives. So already selection will be completed, and there will be the chance that the like company will be sending the offer letters as well. But who are I think 9th November candidates will be huge selection, guys. For that day, so many candidates will be selected through our page. Yeah, so yeah, you can wait up to 10 to 15 days, otherwise you can apply other off-campus drives. Received the HR results selection mail. What is the next process? So if you are already receiving the HR interview, like a HR selection mail, so congratulations, you will be part of Virtusa. So that you need to wait for the next step was you will be receiving the some details information mail, and after that you will be receiving the interview call, HR will be calling you for the confirmation, you are fresher or experience or address related information, and all this HR call will be there. And after that you will be receiving some background verification related process, and after that, your background verification is done, then you will be getting the offer letter and joining. Okay, so this is the complete process, and I hope everyone is clear about the process. Okay, so next, yeah, and the coming to the technical interview pendings, and as well as HR interview, HR interview pendings, I'm already covered that point, right? So many candidates will be waiting for the technical interview, mails for the remaining locations like Gurgaon, Pune, these locations. Already Bangalore students is previously asking, sir, when was the Bangalore? Yeah, so you can see 15th November Bangalore interviews will be happen. So like that, batch wise you will be getting the interview mails. So once you are selected, definitely the interviews will be happen, either either next week or another next week, but interviews will be happen. So you have to wait for that. Okay, don't be panic. Okay, so that's the important point, because many students is waiting for the technical interviews. So you have to wait for that, batch wise or day wise, your interviews will be happen. Okay, so next, in this candidate will be asking, is they asked to write the codes before entering into the interview panels for coming batches too. If asking codes, then what type of coding questions, how to prepare? So mostly there is some basic type of questions will be there, not that much DSA or like that. There will be the basic questions. Due to high competition, 9th November batches will be the process will be happen like that. But in upcoming batches, if the less candidates will be there, then there is a there is a no proper coding questions is asking before entering the interview panel. Okay, so if the competition is high, they are doing like that, and they will be rejected on that screening process. Okay, so that's the thing you have to remember. So yeah, you have to prepare round 2 questions, it will be helpful during the interview. Okay, so next doubt was, bro, software tester Chennai location, when will I expect HR interview? I think this candidate will be technical interview completed. So if you are still waiting for the HR interview, just move forward and you can apply other off-campus drives. There is a less chances for getting the HR. Okay, next, bro, need interview experience for Bangalore location. Brother, there is a 15th November interviews will be happen, but Bangalore location first interview will be 15th November 2025. So after completion of the 15th November, we will upload the interview experience videos. So meanwhile, you just prepare 5 topics, and Java, SQL, I'm already clear the topics, right? You just prepare those topics. Definitely your interview will be cleared, but maintain communication skills. Okay, so next, technical interview not came for Hyderabad location. Yeah, if you are still waiting for the Hyderabad location, you just wait for some time, because already most of the interviews will be completed at Hyderabad location. I think if Hyderabad openings will be completed for the selection candidates, so there is a less chances for selection as well. But interview interview selection will be very less compared to previous batches, because when the openings will be less, and they are all, when the openings will be already filled the candidates with selection candidates, then there will be the less chances for upcoming batches selection process. So that's the thing. but you can apply other off-campus drives also, but you have to wait for that, because definitely interviews will be happen if you are selected for the interview. Okay, నెక్స్ట్ ఏమైనా ఛాన్స్ ఉందన్నా ఇంకా ఇంటర్వ్యూ మెయిల్స్ రాని వాళ్ళకి వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ అదే కూడా కవర్ చేయు బ్రో. టెక్నికల్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ రౌండ్ అయిపోయి ఇంటర్వ్యూ కోసం వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారు వాళ్ళ కోసం. Actually, if you are completed the technical interview, if you are still waiting for the HR interview, just move on to apply other off-campus drive. There is a less chances for getting the HR interview mails. That's the clear point, because already selections will be happen and offer letters will be releasing and joinings also happening. So that's why my suggestion. Okay, if you want, you can wait for some time. You will be getting the mails. Okay. So next point was some confusion is going on. Where is in-person coding round is there, elimination round, the technical go and take part. Need to know if this process is going to every Virtusa campuses. Actually, if the competition is 9th November, competition was more than 1000 students, so the selection will be very less na. So on that time they are planning for the before that you need to write a codes in a paper like that. Okay, but in that 1000 students also more than 50 to 60 students will be selected through our YouTube channel, because of they are watching interview real-time interview experience videos. So completely they are addicted for the interview experience videos. Many videos I have posted, many videos, so they are directly preparing those videos and they will be selected. Okay, so that's the thing. Selection will be happen easily for my students. Okay, you need to prepare if you are already waiting for the technical interview, if you are already receiving the technical interview, you need to prepare my videos, and whatever the real-time interview experience videos I have uploaded, you just prepare and you will be selected for sure. Okay, so next doubt was updates regarding for the November 6th technical interview. You just wait for the 10 to 15 days, otherwise you just leave and you can go for the other off-campus drives. Okay, don't wait too much time for the only one opportunity. You can apply, you can try other opportunities as well. Okay, thank you. And the next, bro, I got this mail 7 days before Bangalore location technical interview for me not yet started. 15th November already now Bangalore location interviews is started. In the upcoming days, in the next week onwards, your interviews will be chances, so please be prepared for the topics, whatever the topics we have uploaded in my YouTube channel. Okay, I hope you clear this doubt. Okay, so next point was do the technical interview and HR interview takes place on same day for the Bangalore location? There will be the chances, if the competition is high, there will be the chances, and in paper coding chances also there. You have to prepare accordingly. Okay, so more software developer interview experience videos. Yeah, definitely, if you are supporting my YouTube channel, definitely I'll try to upload the videos as per your request, but I'm only uploading the real-time interview experiences, because students love the real-time interview experience, and students have clarity about the how the real-time interviews will be happen, questions and all. Okay, so yeah, and coming to the next point was 11th November tester role ki interview ఇచ్చిన వాళ్ళకి హెచ్ఆర్ మెయిల్స్ ఏమైనా వచ్చాయా? సో if you are already completed the 11th November interview, then you have to wait for the 10 to 15 days, then you will get the one update. Otherwise you can just ignore it and you can apply other off-campus drives. Okay, I hope you cleared this doubt. Yeah, so that's it for today's video, guys. I know this is a lengthy video for the 30 minutes, because there is so many doubts students is asking, so we have covered each and every topics. So definitely this video is very very important and helpful for the candidates. I hope you are completely some idea about the topics and interview and Bangalore interview persons interviews, how to get the offer letters and all. I think everyone is clear about the process and all. And if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. So all the best for the Bangalore candidates. I hope everyone is preparing for our experience videos. Definitely you will be clear the interview. Okay, so if you have any doubts, so firstly just mention your role, software developer tester role, or else when was your technical interviews happen. So like this you have to mention your doubts, then I can take the screenshots, and if there is any updates regarding those topics, then definitely I'll clear the doubts. Okay, I hope everyone is clear about the process. So firstly, congratulations who are selected for the my like through our YouTube channel or WhatsApp page. Congratulations, I'm very happy. So who are watching until the end of this video, I'm grateful to you. I think everyone is like and subscribe to support our YouTube channel. So thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. So thank you. Bye bye.